Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
Now you can also see here it is a mandatory one, right? Business Area ID. So when you go here, so I told you, in HRIS Element, under HRIS Field, there are certain attributes of each field, right? The fields are mandatory, not mandatory visibility, all these things here. Length of the field, it is the attributes in the XML, right? Yes, okay. Here also in the detail you can see, for this field, the required equal to yes means this field is mandatory. Okay. Visibility. You want to make it visible, not visible or readable. That is also specified here in the drop-down. Okay. And further. When you go up, you can see length of the field. Can you see length of the field? Yes. Okay. And data type. Data type, we will discuss either by today or in the next session, but we will try to discuss in the today's session. Data type is nothing, but it defines the behavior of that particular field. So I am creating a field. What is the behavior of that field? Behavior is something where I am putting some value to that particular, in that particular field. Okay. What is the value that particular field will take? It will take as a character, numeric character, special character, or it will only take as a number, decimals. Okay, it should only have a behavior of having a drop-down value. It should have a behavior of taking the date. Okay. So those controlling that particular behavior is done with the help of data type. Got it. So you are creating a custom field. You are specifying a name. But when you enter some value, what value you are expecting that field should save? It should save as a character. It should save as a date format, numeric format, or it should take as a decimal format. So that everything is being controlled with the help of a data type. Okay. We will go and see all the data types which are mentioned in the drop-down list. Okay. So that is one thing which is also showing in the detail. So in the detail you can see the external code. That is the ID. We should not go and do any changes here. Then we can see the length of the field. Then we have seen the data type which specifies the behavior of that field. Okay. And you can see the field is mandatory or not. That also specifies required equal to yes or no. Visibility of the field. Status of the field. Label of the field. Everything can be done from the detail section. Okay. And this same designing will applies to all the fields. So now you go into the name. Again, you go into the details. So the name is the. And so the name is the what you call standard one. Okay. Name is the standard one. And when you go into the name you can see the label that is business area name. Okay. You can see the business area name. So this is the label which you are seeing. So you can see here the label that is business area name. Can you see here? Okay. Same. But the ID is the name. But the label here, what you are defining it there in this one. Configure object definition in the details. So we have defined as a label business area name. Okay. Got it. Okay. Same thing applies to all the fields, so all the. You can see here also the length of the field. Then you have the required equal to mandatory or not. The visibility of the field. Okay, data type. Again, the data type will be there. Okay, all these things can be defined, maintained and controlled from the detail section of the particular field, from the configure object definition. Okay. So external code, name, description, start date, all these things which has been showing here. This is the standard one and the same thing which will be reflecting here. It is for which object business unit. Right. And the business unit only we have opened here. You can see a business unit. Only we have opened here. Okay, so under the business unit, when you go to the field section, we can see all the details will be there. Okay, starting from the external code. Any questions here? Before going further ahead. No. But one question, in managed data we have the foundation objects also. Right. Managed data we don't have in the final foundation of the foundation, objects only will be having in manage object structure. Okay, manage object structure. These objects were there in manage object structure. But after that they migrated these objects from foundation objects to here, that is, to manage data. Okay, so manage data is only the MDF objects. Only MDF objects. And manage org structures. Manage org. Job structure is only for the foundation. FO. Okay. Okay, okay. So now, whatever the foundation object is left over. Okay, so the foundation object is there in the manage org job structure. There that is only defined it in the XML. In the corporate data model. Okay. Whatever objects which has been migrated, those objects we can create a record for managed data, and whatever object which is there in managed data. We can see those objects where it is defined. It is defined it in the configuration. Object definition. Okay. Okay, so I have taken an example for the business unit. Same thing. You can check for legal entity also, department division, all other MDF objects also. Okay, so in the coming session we will, because MDF is a very big topic, we will take couple of sessions. So we will also go and see how we will be seeing right now with standard MDF objects. But custom MDF object also, how we can able to go and create it. That also I will show you. Okay. So this is about the basic overview, how you can see the fields here. That is external code name description. Everything is defined under the field. The same thing will be showing under the managed data, under the business unit. You can see here. Okay. Got it. Any questions here? Okay, so this is the basic overview. Now further going ahead. Okay. Further going ahead. Whenever we open a what you call object definition and open a object. Here you can see certain fields are there, right? Code, effective rating, API visibility, everything will be there. Okay. So what is all about this?
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@uptalk.com.